guys, my name is Rhea and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Now, if you're somebody who struggles with clogged pores or uneven skin texture or breakouts here and there, so much skincare that still doesn't feel enough for your skin, then you might be missing this one step that is really important to get rid of all these skin problems. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down on how to do double cleansing as a beginner, step by step, and some bonus tips as well. So don't forget to watch the full video to learn how to double cleanse the correct way. Now, what is double cleansing? Double cleansing is basically a two-step skincare cleansing routine where you first use a oil-based cleanser to break down all the gunk, makeup or SPF on your skin, followed by using a water-based cleanser to get rid of all the sweat, dirt or any leftover impurities on your skin. Now what this basically does, it makes your skin feel really clean, and again it doesn't strip any natural oils from your skin, so your skin won't become dry, and it also helps you get rid of all the clogged impurities in your pores. That is why I said it makes your skin feel the cleanest clean. Now let me tell you why you should double cleanse. I know so many of them tell you double cleanse karo, videos bhi bana rahe double cleansing, but why do you need to do it, right? This is the question that you have in your mind. Then listen to me. If you wear sunscreen daily, which you should apparently, so if you do it daily religiously, double cleansing helps you get rid of every trace of your sunscreen. If you wear makeup every day, like even your basic BB cream or a CC cream on your face every day, or maybe a tinted sunscreen or a foundation or a concealer only, any makeup product if you're using on your face on a daily basis, this will help you break it down effortlessly and get rid of all of it. So getting rid of all the chemicals on your face. Now last but not the least, this is like the best of all. It helps your serums and moisturizers work better on your skin because your skin is actually clean, which is really important for any skincare product to actually show results on your skin. So when your skin is really clean, all your skincare products work a little more better. Now next question you might have is when to double cleanse. Do I need to do it twice a day? Do I need to do thrice a day? Or do I need to do once a day? When to do, morning or night? Here is the answer. You only need to double cleanse once, and that is in the night. Only in the night you are going to double cleanse. You don't have to do it more than once. Only in the night is enough. In the morning you can just use a water based or any face wash that you use, but in the night make sure you're doing oil cleansing and then a water based cleanser. Now how to double cleanse? This is like the important question, and you might be doing double cleansing already, but maybe you're doing it in the wrong way. So let's see how to do it perfectly or correctly. Now for the first step, I use the Conscious Chemist Daily Dissolve Ultra Light Oil Cleanser. Just 2 pumps on my dry hands, and it is massaged on dry face. So my face is dry and I'll massage it for about 60 seconds on my face very nicely to get rid of every nook and corner of dirt on my face. Now what this will do is it will melt down all the makeup on my face, the sunscreen, any impurities, dust, dirt, pollution, everything on my face will be melted down. Now you have to spray some water, or just use lukewarm water. Now when you use lukewarm water, it will, or basic tap water like your general room temperature water, it will emulsify the whole thing on your face and you will see a milky texture or a milky residue on your face. Right after you see this comes the second step. Here you will be using a water based cleanser. For that I use the Foxtails Daily Duet Hydrating Cleanser. Now this one cleanses deeply and also removes makeup, and is great for dry skin, that is my type of skin, and it works great for every skin type as well. So if you're an oily skin person also, it's a great face wash to use. I really like it, so that is the reason I use this one right after my oil based cleanser. I massage it onto my damp skin. I again massage it for like 30 to 60 seconds because that is how you're supposed to use a face wash on your face, and then I rinse it off with normal room temperature tap water. And this is how you do double cleansing. It's just a 2-step process that you need to do perfectly. Now here are some practical tips that I want to give you. Never use coconut oil or or any kitchen based oil on your face for oil cleansing. There are certain oils that are made for face which are non-comedogenic, so these are something that you need to use on your face, not coconut oil or any vegetable oil that is there in your kitchen. Always use lukewarm water to emulsify the oil cleanser on your face. Also see to it that your water is not too hot, because that can strip natural oils from your face and it is not great for skin. Now if you're somebody who is oily skin, or not actually oily skin but somebody who has acne prone skin, always check if the oil cleanser that you're using is non-comedogenic, because if it's comedogenic it will clog your pores and you might get breakouts and pimples or tiny bumps on your face. Last and very important thing, because I told you need to massage your face for 60 seconds, be gentle on your skin. Don't imagine or don't act as if the oil is a scrub and ragadna nahi hai muh ko. You have to do it very gently and softly and calmly. You're actually pulling out some dirt from your skin, so you have to be really gentle. Don't rub your skin in a harsh way that can make your skin condition worse. So these were like the practical tips that I really wanted to give you guys. This is really important as well, which we usually miss out in double cleansing videos, so I thought I'll put it out here. Now here are some beginner FAQs that I'll be answering for you. Is it okay for oily skin? Yes, in fact oil attracts oil and helps control it. Will it clog my pores? Not if you use a well formulated cleansing oil and you wash it off thoroughly. Is micellar water the same? No, micellar water is like a one-step option to get rid of makeup, but oil cleansing is basically a thorough cleanse of your skin. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you're skipping double cleansing in your night skincare routine, this is the sign to start doing it. You will see lot of changes in your skin texture and how your skin actually feels, because we do invest a lot of money in so many serums, in face washes, moisturizers, but if you're not doing this one particular step which is so important, you are missing out majorly. So do try it out and let me know in the comments what videos you want me to make next, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I want to reach 10k subscribers really soon. I'm going really slow, so just help me out with that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.